4800 Lake Arrowhead, Waco, Texas. .4800 Lake Arrowhead. Side of the house into the backyard. Looks like there's a gated fence there. We'll go through the house to get in there. But I just want to show you the side of the house. It does have a gate with a opener. Back to the front yard. Couple big trees in the front yard. Gravel all around the house. To the other side here. See the landscaping. All right, coming in inside the house. A little foyer area. To the right, this would, I guess, be a den or a formal dining area. Through there into the kitchen. There's a little breakfast nook, fireplace, more living space. Refrigerator with ice maker. Cooktop. Pantry, and then it leads into the garage area, the bathroom, half bath. There is a room here, office space with a desk. Utility room, washer and dryer. Garage closet here. Looks like you have one over there. I'm not gonna try to get to it. Okay, back in the living area from the front door, there's the side room we came in first time. Back door there, which we'll go out in a minute. It does have front door there. We're gonna go down this hallway here. There are more bedrooms. First off is a bath. This is a full bath. Dual vanities. Bathtub with a stand-up shower. There's Polar Bear. Hi, Polar Bear. After you leave the bathroom, first door on the left, the bedroom. So there's intercom system through the whole house. Cedar lined closet. And that's what he said the Lights go on and off as you open the door. Back out to the hallway there, take a left. Big walk-in storage closet there. This is a third bedroom. With a big closet once again. The lights go on and off as you open the door. Into the master bedroom. The master bathroom. Dual vanities there. Big walk-in closet. Nice shower. Stand up. Once again, closets come on, lights come on and off in the closet when you open it. Back into the hallway, going back to the living area. Okay, this is coming in from the backyard. The garage is here. We saw access there. Backyard, we've got a swing set and barbecue pits. That is the gate there that opens. It's got the automatic opener on it. Privacy fence. Got a shed here. No. It does have a ramp. It is warm in the shed, but there is a light, so there's electricity running. I don't see an air condition. A window unit could be installed, I'm assuming. Shouldn't assume anything, right? AC unit, trash cans. Looks like they have a little garden going. Nice little backyard here. Sandbox looks like over there in the corner. We got a tire over here. Sandbox needs some sand in it. And going back into the house. Back to the garage. Well, that's the house on Arrowhead. I think it's a Gary McCullough EXP listing.